How to make a route in Basecamp in 60 seconds or less. First of all, make a folder, just because it's neat. In the folder, create a list. Add waypoints for the start, finish, and any stop over points. Use sensible names and symbols. Select the waypoints and create a route. You can hold down Shift to select them all. Make sure that they are in the right order. Optionally add a layover time and start time. Make sure the route is with the correct profile. Add shaping points by Alt dragging, holding down Alt, dragging to where you want it to go. Fix the order of the shaping points if necessary. Make sure the shaping points are the correct side of the road by zooming in. For example, you wouldn't want a shaping point here because that would cause you to have to go around a roundabout twice. You want your shaping point here if you needed one there. Make sure the shaping points are greyed out. Right click, don't alert. Only the waypoints shouldn't be greyed out. Make sure the route has got a sensible name. Now do the same thing for the route home. Select your list, file, export my ride out, save, email the GPX to your mates, done.